Cyber risk quantification is the next level of assurance for the business. It is the financial calculation of cybersecurity exposure. At RiskQ, we use a digital asset approach. Cybercriminals attack the digital assets. They steal data, interrupt business processes with ransomware and denial-of-service attacks, and cause regulatory penalties and fines based on the type of data that are processed and stored in systems and by technologies. Our Value Risk Next Generation Cyber Risk Quantification platform allows the executive team to decipher cyber risk details in financial language that everyone from the CISO to the board can understand. Cyber risk assessments are actually control assessments. They have been mislabeled for years and only provide the firm with the effectiveness of the cybersecurity control. These are necessary for the CISO to understand and know where to strengthen controls. However, the board and senior executives own the risk and need a deeper understanding of the financial liabilities they will be held accountable for. How do boards and executives use value risk? Our use cases include ransomware strategy, a cost-benefit analysis of when to pay versus when to restore aligned to your risk appetite. Gap analysis of cyber controls, identification of weak controls across your infrastructure related to their financial exposures. Vulnerability remediation priorities, an analysis of the prioritization of your vulnerability management program based on your financial exposures. Cyber tool ROI, analysis of return on investment of your cybersecurity tools in relationship to your risk reduction. Cyber tool roadmaps, and an evaluation of your current tools related to your specific types of risk reduction and a gap analysis of missing tools. Regulatory compliance, a scoping report of your compliance requirements related to cybersecurity and in privacy regulations in an automated program that allows you to comply with regulation. Cost reductions due to redundant tools, a report that allows you to understand when your siloed efforts are resulting in over-expenditures related to redundant tools. A reduction of your malware exposure based upon data exfiltration exposures at the record level related to your technologies. Cyber insurance needs, a limits adequacy study based upon how your insurance claims are paid in relationship to aggregate limit and sublimits for privacy, healthcare, business interruption, and ransomware. An analysis of the financial exposures of target assets related to potential merger or acquisition based upon our risk models coupled with the due diligence of the controls of the target asset. Most solutions have a low level of data confidence and are manual in their application. Value Risk automatically incorporates the key business context in the cyber risk analysis by automating the collection of the data. This provides for the highest level of confidence in the analysis and allows the business to concentrate on reducing risk, not data gathering. Get a demo now of our revolutionary platform.